Hi guys, welcome to Mandarin Performing Arts Group Dance Lessons. My name is Bobby. Today we'll be doing the first part of a dance piece called Warrior. Let's get started. The first movement is 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. Then after this movement, 1, 2, turn, kick. Again, 1, 2, turn, kick, and 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. Then from here, 1 and 1, 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. And slide back. 1, 2. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back. And 1, 2. Turn. And 1. Turn. Kick. Back. And 1, 2. Out. Down. And flat. Turn. Let's combine from the top till the end with music. This is the end of our lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next lesson. Bye.